Hello everyone, this is teacher Latoya from Woodrose International School. Today we're going to discuss the reactivity series and displacement reactions and their applications. The reactivity series. This is a list of metals with the most reactive metal at the top. Metals have different levels of reactions, so this list puts them in order from the most reactive metal to the least reactive. On the list, we'll notice that there are many metals to remember, but there is a mnemonic that we can use to help us memorize. Please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper saves gold. So this will help you remember that please is for P with potassium, all the way down to gold. If you notice, this list also contains carbon and hydrogen. Remember, these two are not metals. This table helps to summarize the reactions of metals with oxygen, water, and acid. Potassium all the way down to zinc react very vigorously with oxygen. Iron, lead, and copper will react slower, and silver and gold have no reaction with oxygen. Potassium and sodium will react with cold water, but calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, and iron will only react with steam. Lead, copper, silver, and gold have no reaction with water nor with steam. Potassium and sodium have violent reactions with acid. Calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, and iron have a slow rate of reaction with acid. Lead reacts way slow with acid, and copper, silver, and gold have no reaction. It's very important to know how these metals react with oxygen, water, and acid so that you can manipulate these properties and use them for our everyday lives. Displacement reactions. In the diagram that I've put up, we have got blue copper sulfate solution reacting with magnesium. What does displacement mean? An element replaces or pushes out another in a compound. Our compound is blue copper sulfate solution. Our element is magnesium. Which metal or element is displacing which? Magnesium displaces copper, meaning that the magnesium will push out the copper. Why could this displace the other? Magnesium is more reactive than copper, so it will push it out. When magnesium powder and copper sulfate are stirred, they change into magnesium sulfate and copper powder. So the magnesium has pushed out the copper powder. Some uses of displacement reactions include thermite welding. Aluminium replaces iron in the compound iron oxide to form aluminium oxide, which is used in railway lines. Steelmaking. Iron is extracted from its ore by heating it with carbon in large blast furnaces. The carbon replaces the iron in iron oxide to form carbon dioxide. Some things to take note of. A single displacement reaction is often of the type A plus BC gives you B plus AC. In this reaction, the element A replaces the element B in the compound BC. Example: aluminium plus iron oxide will give you iron plus aluminium oxide. Magnesium plus copper sulfate will give you copper plus magnesium sulfate. Thank you for watching my video.